Onboarding DailyBot on Slack is really simple. Go to Apps and look up DailyBot on your Slack workspace. Click on the Add. This is going to redirect you to the Slack Marketplace, where we'll click on Add to Slack. After that, you'll be sent to DailyBot's main page. Here you can sign up for free or add to your chat, and we're going to select Add to Slack. Here we will give DailyBot some permissions from Slack so it can work in our server. And after waiting for a bit, we will be here at the main page of our onboarding. You can select how you found DailyBot, your position in the company, do some preliminary information. After that, we can start inviting people. You will see all the people in your Slack server, and you can select who to invite. And you can also create a server to send your check-in reports to. This basically works as creating your first check-in right out the gate. And now you're in DailyBot. Congratulations! You can use DailyBot any way you want to, and here in the main page you can see some quick actions on what to do. Maybe invite more people, look through your settings, give some kudos, and explore DailyBot.